We finally got the birds into the pen house. Now they're settling into their new environment. The breed is Issa brown. You could see their skin really brown, really luscious, and they look so beautiful. The part we're not looking forward to is the cost of feeding, the medicine, the multivitamins, and the general cost, that it takes to look after them till they start laying around 20 to 22 weeks. When they start laying, then we hope they will begin to then pay for their own feeds and, of course, begin to pay back the cost of production. That is the cost we have incurred up until the time they start laying and earn returns on our investment. So this is the birds, the new 10,000 birds settling into their new environment, looking beautiful and looking forward to give us solid returns on our investment. Again, kindly subscribe, join our channels, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.